In this video, we'll demonstrate data read or write operations for the ZOTYE 6DCT360 TCM. Preparation: DC706 or Keymaster G3. High-power DC regulated power supply. Main cable. ECU clone jumper. MP001 programmer. ZOTYE 6DCT360 TCM. Before proceeding, you need to upgrade the software to the latest version. Tap the ECU flasher software and select Passenger Car TCM. Use the search box at the top right corner to quickly find the corresponding model. Tap the Guide section, carefully read the warm reminder, menu description, operation guide, connection methods, and special notes. Tap Pineout, select Bench, and check if the module's appearance is consistent. Tap Connector Pineout to connect accordingly. After connecting, tap Start. Now make the ECU connection. Make a data backup first. File names can be customized. The file storage location will be displayed on the left side. Now write the backed up data into the module. File management now supports filtering by file name, modification time, or file size. If no changes were made to the data, verification is not required. Operation completed. Thanks for watching.